Okay, so what we have here is the new frame, and we're putting the stencil in the proper location. This is the number right here of the part number from General Motors. This is the part number from A.O. Smith and the sequence number. And the interesting thing is this is located properly on the frame. It's to be painted white, and that should be it.
Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay.
Done?
Smile. You're a candid camera. Done.
So this is what the finished product looks like, and you can see it's upside down. And you say, gosh, why did they want to do that? Well, when the frames were built at A.O. Smith, they actually were stacked upside down, and that's where they put this GM part number and the A.O. Smith part number and sequence number on with the stencil, and so that's why we have to do it that way. When these frames were made in 1964, they were actually upside down as they were shipped, and they put the stencil on as they were in their stack, so the stencil needs to be in here painted on. This is the part number, and this is the A.O. Smith number. Then as they were pulled off and used for assembly, there was a date for assembly that was written on, and it also was before the frame was in fact taken off the upside down. So it's written right here, and that is 5/5/1964. That's the year and day and month that this car was built. We know that from the VIN and the records that Chevrolet provides for those cars that were built on which days for VIN. So now we're ready for the body drop, and one of the things that they did in 1964 was they put a piece of masking tape over each one of these little body mounts like this and like that, so that it would be held in place with the shim pack that was necessary for the day's build. And of course that shim pack changed from day to day depending on the variations in the bodies and the frames, so they would make an assessment at the end of each day to what it was that was necessary to improve the door fits and the hood fits, because the body twist and the fit of the doors was all controlled by these shim packs. They actually bent the body. This is our final piece to do restoration on, and that's the fuel tank. And we took the wire brush to it, took all the rust off of it, gave it a good washing down with hydrochloric acid mixtured, and now we're giving it a final bright color paint treatment, and we'll be ready to put the body drop in place. That should come this afternoon if the rain don't get the best of us.
Okay, here comes the body.
Oh, you're on a run. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm holding this back up as we go.
Well, I don't think you have to. I think you move it back.
That's stuck in the road. Frank's, no, there's that hand.
Oh.
No power steering.
Hit something on the other side?
That's probably good right there. Are we clear? Or not?
Alright. They're lined up. Trying to remember now, one of the things we have to do is we have to get that out with the jack in place. With this in place, we got to roll. We got to be able to slide that out. So we.
Oh, yeah.
So probably we should start over here a little further.
Yeah. Over here?
Yeah. Okay. Pull it towards you.
Well, I thought we wanted to. Oh, strap.
The car's a little crooked in the front, so they're trying to take it down. So they need to get it straight.
What are we doing?
Takes lots of
Are we lifting?
thinking.
Not yet.
You're not lifting? I'm pretty close. I'm pretty close, but I'm not lifting either.
Frank's Lumberyard.
What's it hitting? Oh, it's hitting on the body a little bit.
Coming out?
It's out. It's done. We're out of here.
We're out of here?
This is the chassis coming.
It's got to go way forward. How are we doing?
Okay, just a second.
Are we far enough or not?
No.
Almost. Yeah.
But I'm, yeah, okay.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. All right. No.
We want to go under with that first.
I think. Well, actually, no. It went in there first. Now let me see if I can do this. Oh, I think I think it's going to work. For some reason, this is higher or something because it looks like it's going to go right in here.
Well, that won't hurt.
Here it comes.
Let's go back in.
How you doing, Anoya?
Okay, now it's got to go back. Back her up. Let me push from the front. A little bit more. Ho, ho, ho.
I got to put the cable in.
Gas tank in.
Here comes Kurt's ho ho ho.
You gotta put the gas tank in.
Kurt, could you say that again?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa!
And why was the whoa whoa whoa?
We have to put the gas.
Gas tank in? They decided that they couldn't put the straps in first before the fuel tank because they were in the way, so they had to take the straps off. And now they put the fuel tank in. I got to hold the car, otherwise I'll go around the back. And so now they're going to put the straps for the fuel tank.
Comes right back.
It sits in.
Sits right on this.
It sits right on.
This is an anti-skid. It comes here.
That's one of them, right?
Okay, so this goes out. Are you seeing it here?
Never hurts to check the manual.
And they go identically. For some reason, that's what they're showing. But they're identical. So they go in like this. This goes down through that. That holds it in place. All right.
Oh. Well, where do these come into play?
What's it called?
Fuel tank support.
Okay.
I hate to open these up in case we... Go ahead and open it so I can read it.
No. That's the support.
Fuel tank support bolts. And we don't...
That's the one that we've already put on. One place.
Oh. Okay. I see what you mean.
So there's one. So we finally got the body completely on the chassis, and it's ready to roll back into the garage. Oh man, a full day's worth, and looking good. So hey, this isn't the end of the saga. We've got all the parts that we took off to put back on, and a few things to adjust, but man, things are looking good. The door fits are great. The attachment, everything lines up really good, as I would hope that it would. All the body mount stuff was in the right place. Hey, man, it was a really, really good frame that we got.